Frankie, do you know how I check like the connection on IB to like reconnect to the server or whatever it is?
The exit window.
Oh, okay, okay.
Meta held up pretty decently
Yeah,
on that pullback.
it's all right. Yeah, it's doing all right. Well, it's probably gonna pull back since we talked about it, but till now it's doing all right. Well, the market's getting more aggressive here, anyways. Meta
We get
doesn't
that.
open before 10 a.m. I'm not gonna be looking at that.
I hope we get that Tesla play at some point this week.
I want to see this
That was
break
my
pretty quick. I
one of
don't
my
want
favorite
it to
side.
take
Yeah,
too
that's
long
why I'm
or
not worried about a
bounce.
stop loss on
I
Tesla.
want this to be
That
in
play is worth like
2
30%.
candles, maybe.
I was
Even
gonna
that.
say that I
Yeah.
only lost 6% on that, which is pretty nice.
Well,
It's
Considering
4130 is a
for only
target.
how
I
for
don't know
how
if it's
big the
gonna make
play
it all the
is.
way there because there's
Yeah,
I
liquidity,
lost like 11
so it could
too,
bounce
no?
before.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have a heavy eye on it, just in case if we do start bouncing.
My target for
I don't
that was
want
like the
to be a part of a
165
bounce.
break though,
Yeah.
realistically.
That's still the target.
I'm up a couple
Like,
percent
if
here.
we
I
get
could
that
take
play in.
profits, but
Yeah.
I just want to see what happens at this 4130. It's pretty aggressive move into that low of day. So we'll see.
I'd rather get this momentum play on Meta possibly
Yeah.
today. Let's see if we can get it.
4133 I'm getting out.
Looking at it now, I'd probably like take that high in the 238 and just try to sell.
Yeah, that's good. This is good.
239 probably.
This is
There's
good.
that 30
If we turn red to
trend
green, this is
that
perfect.
goes up to like 239.
But we gotta go.
30,
Alright, let's go.
239.20ish.
I don't want it to hesitate right here. Good, good, go. It's 4130. Just watch that on ES. That's the main area you gotta watch out. Nope, I'm taking it. I don't care. It could bounce, it could break. I just don't want to find out. This candle still looks good for downside. See, like it still looks good. But I played it so late, I don't even have the
Where?
benefit of scaling out. But like I said, my target or my plan was I just wanted to happen right
Is that
away.
from earnings?
I don't want to find out what's gonna happen, and I didn't want to be a part of a bounce. Since we got so close to my level, like this low was
Yeah.
41.30 and 50
something marked at
cents,
171.
and
Yeah,
that was
Tesla
my
just
liquidity
downed
area.
itself here pretty badly.
I didn't want
Oh,
to
yeah,
see
I
it
have
struggle there.
171
These
as a
candles are
bubble.
healthy candles to the downside, but normally I would scale out here, but obviously I took it so late I couldn't even scale out. But
Gotcha.
I think
Yeah,
I did
that's
good
I like that.
considering my position size.
Tesla dropped $1 on that one candle while market was kind of just staying in the same area.
You see, it's still struggling at 41.30. That's what I didn't want to see. I
That's
wanted
gonna
to
be
see a crack right
interesting if we
through.
get that.
Meta dropped as well there. Where would you take it
Yeah,
if it
like these are the bounces I didn't want to be a
came
part
back
of.
down, like the low or like 167 again maybe?
You talking about Tesla?
I probably only
Yeah.
made like
Probably
$5 on that,
167.
if that.
Let me grab a water bottle one second.
But it's more about the principles and getting your strategy right before going in with
Usually when Nora goes
size.
to get a water bottle, that's when
So I'm
most
happy
things
with
happen, so.
the trade. I'm happy with how I executed on it.
You're not lying. Look at it.
Yeah, it's still flirting with that 41.30. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I'm seeing on the book map. So this area is a huge liquidity area. After that, 29. But yeah, that's why I had that as my target.
It took Tesla a while to get down here. The
See
way
how
you're
it's
going to be
struggling
able
to
to
get
tell,
there?
or the way we're going to be able to tell.
There's a lot of buyers
is,
here.
Let's say the market starts popping.
That's
back
why I
up
wanted to
and
see it
Tesla
just
kinda holds
crack right
down.
through. I didn't want to
That's
see
gonna
these
be,
buyers get a
what
chance
we
to
wanna
bounce
see
it.
here.
Because if they bounce it, like
'Cause it did
literally,
take a while
you know what
to
I'm saying,
catch
we
up,
can
so
really
technically
bounce.
Tesla's late, except if it does its own thing here, which it kind of looks like it is.
Yeah, and look at
But
this
we'll
chart.
be able
You
to
see,
tell in the
it's
next
kind of looking like it's bottoming out.
5 to 10
Even though
minutes
these candles
if
all
this
have
is what
upside
Tesla wants
wicks,
to do here.
it's just not something I wanted to be a part of. I'm happy with how I executed the trade. I stuck to my plan. I wanted it to happen quick. And I didn't want to be a part of a
Getting there,
consolidation right here, which is exactly what's happening. I like the aggression into low of day.
Well, NQ's having a green
Kept my
candle.
stop,
Yeah, that's what
I
I'm
believe,
saying.
like right here or something like that. Maybe here. And it worked out pretty much exactly how I wanted it to. Except, obviously, the 41.30 didn't break. But not every time that's going to break.
So we'll see here. Let's see if we can get weak candles on Tesla versus aggressive candles.
So now we're at that 41.30. Broke it. There's a lot of volume. Let me show you the book map.
Market came down though. That's the only problem.
This is a good. That's what you want to see. You want to see the big liquidity
there we go.
candles through that
There we go.
area. And now look, now sellers are setting up here instead of buyers.
Finally, bro.
So that's exactly what you want to see.
Anger.
And
Oh my god.
it hit that next liquidity target.
Honestly,
Perfect.
I'm gonna hold through 166 most likely. I'm just gonna take the risk.
So that
I like the
was.
trade. I mean, the only problem is it might get a bounce here. This is a real support level.
That's what a good break looks like on BookMap.
But this is weak to me.
Yeah, they're trying to close it below that.
But look how we broke through the heavy liquidity.
So if we get a bounce,
Good volume.
see?
But then we
Oh,
struggle
yeah,
at
there
this
you
one.
go.
That's not what you want
Let's
to see
go.
for follow through. You want to see it crack right through this,
I'm still riding this,
and
guys.
you can target that.
Personally, I'm taking the risk here.
But yeah, here we go.
I bought two.
It took out all the liquidity in that area. So either buyers are going to step back in,
But it's white.
or sellers are going to
I
hold
bought-
this
I bought my
41.30
first half
and
at
then send us down to
167, and when it held
27.
down, I bought my second half.
Nice.
But obviously,
buddy.
I'm not in the trade for that. So
I was down 200 on the day.